One cup of pumpkin puree, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can use 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. And I like to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You could use some maple extract. We're gonna set this aside and get our biscuits ready. I'm using the Grands Flaky Layer Biscuits, 8 large biscuits. Separate them on a lightly floured surface. Just turn them just a little in that flour just to get them lightly coated. Separate them in half, and I just kind of pat them in a little bit of flour, not much. So you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter and then brush each of these halves. I also brushed my tea loaf with melted butter. You can use a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, and you can also use baker's spray. And we're coming back and sprinkling just a little bit of cinnamon sugar on each. Fold them over onto themselves and start laying them into your tea loaf. If you're using a 9 by 5, you're going to lay these in stacks of 4. This loaf bakes in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes. Place on a cooling rack for 15 minutes. Beautiful. We're making a very simple glaze with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of milk. You could add a little bit of vanilla extract or maple extract to this, or some cinnamon. I'm sprinkling on 2 tablespoons of coarsely chopped walnuts.